Happy Wonderland! Hi guys, we can open my toy. Wow! Can you help? This is a really happy toy. Help!
Oh no!
Don't be shy. What? Don't be shy. What do you want? Help me. Help me. So it's happy. Yahoo! And we open this box.
Oh no!
We can open it this set. Look. Wow! And we also open that door. Oh, I need this so you can slip. Sabi, do you want to play? Yeah, I need. What is this? This is your. This is yours. And this goes a castle. This goes this. Doors. Oh, this one is taking a bath. And this is not the sea or. And the horse. Papa there. Here's a big present. Kings. Another present. Kings. This is for my horse. This is for my horse eats. Nom. And here this is big food. I want more. And I will eat. Nom. Give me a soul. Sabi, look. Put inside. Where is the bed? Right there. Where are you going to put it? It's open. No. Okay. Open. Put the bed there. This goes there. Sabi, here's a chair. The chair's white and table. The chair's there. And here is table. And the table's there. And mirror. Yeah. Right there. And what is this? This makeup set. Oh. And this goes. No. Okay. Si Panani.
Okay, it's night time. You're gonna sleep.
You're gonna go inside the castle.
And can you get the upside down shower? Have fun shower. What are they doing? What are they doing? I'm just taking a bath for fun. You're taking a bath? Yeah. Why do they have their clothes? If the clothes will be wet. This is Nanay, this is Tatay.
How about this one? What's that?
This is Nanay.
What's this?
Castle. I made this so like take a shower. Take a shower. So much fun. This present. Tatay is this right there. us his visits.
What are you doing, Kuya?
And just
Oh, I think we're gonna open this house. Let's try to open it. Wow, this is so amazing. What's inside?
there's
It's a castle, right?
and there's a button. Like of course. Is spell this numbers genau. Kuya, no. Is this a book? No, is a bed. Kini, si tatay, kini si nanay. And tatay it put here. Tatay it. No, no, no! Ugly! It's inside the horsey. Pew, 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 pew. No, get the horse. You get the horse. Where's the horse right there? No, here. In the front. No. Like this. And then, like this. Oh. Okay, it's gonna
So we're gonna close now the castle because it's nighttime and we need to
I will
close the
put that
castle.
No,
One,
no,
two.
no.
Master, they need to be inside the castle before the time. Kuya, you need to help Zabi put everything inside the castle.
Okay.
Because when the time is up, the castle won't be closed anymore. Yay! The castle is now closed and no one can get
Morning!
morning right away?
Perfect.
Is it morning right away?
Yes.
It's so fast.
Here's the people. Mommy, at this.
Will you cook for breakfast?
I need to take that chicken to my pieces. And this is my friends.
So, what are you gonna do?
It's gonna skateboard and
I think Kuya needs to have Zabi prepare the breakfast.
I'll get our chickens.
Okay. Hurry up, Zabi, because the princess is so hungry.
I got grapes.
The princess is so hungry.
I got the grapes.
Okay, keep cooking.
That is big.